Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Chain on Roblox Mobile. First, ensure your Roblox application is fully updated to the latest version, which typically takes less than 1 minute to download over a stable Wi-Fi connection. Open the app and log into your account, making sure your device has at least 2 gigabytes of free storage available. Navigate to the search bar and type in Chain to find the official game experience, selecting the one with the highest player count. Once inside the game, you will find yourself in a lobby or starting area. To move your character, use the virtual joystick on the left side of your screen, dragging your thumb in the desired direction. Interact with objects or other players by tapping them once with your finger. A small highlight will confirm your selection. The primary goal is often to avoid being the chain or to pass it on, requiring quick reflexes and spatial awareness to succeed. To consistently win, prioritize situational awareness. Constantly observe where other players are located on the map. Utilize the jump button, usually located on the right side, to evade opponents or reach higher platforms, giving you a tactical advantage. Team up by staying close to allies, forming defensive lines or trapping opponents, as coordination significantly increases your chances of survival and victory. Learning the map layouts also provides a clear edge, identifying escape routes and hiding spots. If you encounter any lag or performance issues, try lowering your in-game graphics settings from the main menu, usually found under a gear icon, to improve frame rate. For common glitches, a quick restart of the Roblox application often resolves many problems within 30 seconds. Remember, practice is key to becoming a master of Chain. Spend about 15 minutes daily playing to refine your skills and movements. Enjoy the dynamic and thrilling gameplay Chain offers on your mobile device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.